I'd like to show you a simple and easy gift wrapping idea. This is good for books or flat things. Let's start with double-sided paper. I'm going to wrap my favorite book, Beloved Dog. The paper size length should completely cover the book from both sides and add about 2 inches or 5 cm on the right side. The height should cover the book and add 2 inches or 5 cm on top and bottom. The left edge of the paper should be aligned with the front right corner of the book. Wrap tightly and make a crease in the left corner. Cover with the paper on the right side, wrap it tightly, and crease the right corner. Hold firmly and turn over. At this time, do not crease the corners. Just measure the thickness and make a crease. Cut off the excess part at the crease. Wrap it up tightly. Flip it over and make sure the edge of the paper is in the corner of the book. Cover with the right side of the paper tightly. Align here and here. Fold diagonally. Make a sharp crease. Apply double-sided tape and close it. Fold it in half with this edge like this. Make sharp creases. Turn over and crease the corners of the overlap. Fold here inward. Stick a couple of double-sided tape. Then close it tightly. Make sharp corners. Adjust to make it centered. Close the bottom first. Fold both sides inward. Make sure all the way in the end. Fold inward the overlapped part together. Fold in the end and make sharp creases. Fold the top tab downward and make a crease at the bottom. Cut off along the crease line. Pull up the bottom tab and fold it. Fold the end inwards. Then close it with double-sided tape tightly. The front is like this. Close the top in the same way as the bottom. Here you go. It's pretty easy and nice, isn't it? For the second book, let's wrap with 2 different sheets of paper together. Wrap in the same way as the previous one. Here another one. I think just white paper is nice too.